Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hopefully you guys are having a great day, great night, great afternoon, whatever it may be. For today's video, we're going to be changing out my windscreen. I got this carbon windscreen. I'm going to throw the link in the description. Shout out to, I don't want to butcher his name, I think it's vic.le96 on Instagram. Don't quote me on that, I'll put it on the screen. But he made sure I got my windscreen because I ordered it and it was out of stock, so it's coming straight from Thailand. I was gonna have extended wait, and he let me know. Like, I DM'd him on Instagram and everything like that. And yeah, he was really easy to work with and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and swap this out. It only takes these 4 screws. Yes, you gotta pop these out, and you have to transfer your hardware over. Has these little rubber gaskets in there that hold it in place. Like, these rubber gaskets go in these holes, and then you line everything up and put it in there, and then kind of go ahead and show you what it looked like, sort of, with the new windscreen on there. Yes, it has to be stretched out just a little bit so it'll fit, and yes, I did get the right year model. This thing is way taller. That's something I'm going to have to get used to, because I like my, so this is, I don't want to say this is the stock windscreen that came with it, but the black one I have is shorter. I think it stops about like right there, like cuts off, and it's like a little bit shorter, like it's more of a flatter profile. Going from that, then going from this one, what I started out with, going to this, more of like a racing style windscreen. I don't know why I can't talk. It's going to be different. It's going to be interesting. So let's get right to it. Alright, I know I did not show the whole process, obviously. Now, this is kind of weirding me out. Like, I don't like this rubber gasket showing, so I'm going to fix that later on when I take the front fairing off to relocate my IAT, which I don't think it's, yeah, it's not in there. So whenever I get that and my velocity stacks, I'll move that and then fix the gold tape issue. That's gonna bother me forever if I don't fix it. And then so this is the final look. Like, I really like all of the carbon bits. Like, it's not too much and it's not too little. The next thing I want to do is like this piece right here, because I think I didn't have carbon on my last BMW, but I've seen people get this piece. I think that's like $200 or something like that. I could swing that easily. So, oh yeah, so price point, if you want to buy this same windscreen, I believe it was, do not freaking quote me, but I want to say it was like $300 some, $200 or $300 some from tl.motor.com, I believe. Yeah, so it's also taller. I don't think I said that before. So it's gonna get some dang, that's super tall. Like, I'm gonna have to getting used to this and it being so tall and narrower. But full tuck, like, that wind is gonna be going right over my head. The only thing I don't like is like this being open. I wish that was filled in with like carbon, so it'd be like connected as one piece. But other than that, I'm pretty satisfied with this. Like, I like it. I love that look. Like, it's just the little details that matter, you know what I mean? Like, I got the carbon wheels, which you can't even see because they're dirty. So gonna have to clean those. But carbon tire hugger, carbon wheels. This piece is carbon, windscreen's carbon, front tire hugger's carbon. Oh yeah, the next thing that's coming for this that's also going to be carbon is my winglets. So they're in the mail today, and I was really hoping that they would get delivered. Airplane. I was really hoping that they would get delivered today because they're in my city, but it says it's moving through the processing phase, whatever the crap it is. So I'm not gonna be able to do my winglets today. So, but also I do need to check the update and see if they'll be delivered today at least. But I'm pretty sure they're gonna get delivered tomorrow, which is no big deal. I'll be able to put them on. So that is gonna wrap up the video. I hope you guys liked it, found it informative. I mean, there wasn't really much to it. It's just 4 bolts, and then you swap over your hardware and you're good to go. Oh yeah, and I'm also trying out a different setting. So like, I dropped my ISO maximum down to 400. I'm using an ND filter 16. Let me know if you can spot the difference. I have not looked at the footage yet, so I don't know. But if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.